Hello favorites, welcome back to Favorites with Laura. Today I have a few things from Temu, and I also want to start out by updating you with a couple of items. So I did buy one of those dupes, and look I put some of the stickers I hauled on a video not too long ago, and I thought it looked so cute on this white one. Now this dupe is inspired by that Stanley cup that's famous out there right now, and I will say that this does not keep my ice as long as like my other brand name Yeti and things like that, but it does keep it cold enough all day. It's just that I could leave ice in, and I don't know if it has to do with the clear lid or if this isn't really double walled or what's going on, but you know what, I like it because it's large and it fits in my cup holder in the car, and I like the matte coloring. So that's an update there. And then another update is I did a clothing haul for my kids probably about a month ago now, maybe a little longer, and in that haul I had some high top canvas shoes that were very similar or inspired by, you know, Converse and that kind of brand. And I didn't know what my daughter was going to do, because in that haul we also ordered a bunch of different color shoestrings, so I didn't know. Now remember, I'm that she's kind of like very she loves to draw, she's very colorful and loves artistic and doing different things, so it shows what she did to these shoes. I just have to show you, okay? I'll put the link for these items below. It's not really what I'm hauling on this one, but I had to show you some updates. So she drew stuff there. She beaded one of the shoelaces and ran it from one of the strings right there. She made up these beads, and they're pretty funky, and I love that this is her and that she gets to express herself this way. So I think this is super cute. Yeah, it's not what I'm hauling this time, but I had to share with what is going on at my house. I love it. And you know what? She got so many compliments on these shoes because they're so unique. It's so stylish, and my goodness, I had no idea. But I had no idea what she was going to do. So let's jump into the haul that I am presenting to you today, and that is a perfume haul, dupes, and a purse, of course. You know, I can't really just buy 5 things without a purse in there. It just doesn't seem right. So I'm going to pull these all out, and I have to tell you, these boxes are pretty large. I had no idea these items were going to be this large. Now, I can't tell you what the original or designer brand smells like. All I'm going to tell you is these were pretty bottles, and I like pretty things. Everything in the links below, as well as up on the screen, you're going to see the picture. When you click on my link below in the description box for each of these items, you could have a better price, or it could go up a little bit, but you can watch it, you know, and you'll know what it is. But let's start with this. Is a little daisy, and look how big this box. This box is probably let me see, my phone is right there. So my phone is about seven something inches wide, and that's how tall this is. So let's get to it. Let's jump into this. And I'm anxious to see how these smell. I don't wear a lot of perfume, but I do like a little fragrance when it's light and floral. And I do know people that would like the stronger ones, so that won't go to waste, and I'll be happy to share. So, gosh, this box is just so huge. And I'm going to picture, I don't have it in front of me right now, but I did do some searches, and this is a total dupe apparently. I'm trying not to destroy the box. There we go. This is a apparent exact dupe for a brand out there. My pictures are still syncing there. So, it says Little Daisy, Ooh So Fresh. And look at that bottle. Isn't that pretty? So these are actually like a leathery but coated. It's not stiff plastic. See, they all bend there. But look at all the way around. All the way around. And it's got the gold pull up. Not going to be able to smell too much later on. Okay, let's do this. Right there. Whoops. This is very, very light. If it even has a scent. So I'm thinking this one is going to be just a pretty little figurehead. So we all need one of them. She's a pretty little figurehead, and I like her. She's gonna look really pretty on my dresser. Super light. So that is so pretty. Okay, the bottle's pretty. Then I'm thinking is a Coach-like inspired box. It says catch. Okay, so let's catch it and let's open it up and see what its scent is like. Of course, it's pink. And just remember, I have a discount code, so if you've never placed an order with Temu before, and why haven't you? Do you like paying higher prices for the same things? I'm not talking dupes, I'm talking exact replicas. I have taken pictures of t-shirts and found them on Temu for a quarter of the price. So if you haven't ordered before, it is an online market store. They deal with a lot of different sellers, much like Amazon. And my code to see here, FAV70814. It's nice that they're giving us something. So this has texture on the bottom, and this, let's see what that's going to smell like. Now that has a stronger scent, but not, like, they don't last very long. It's fresh, so that's good. I wanted all these to be fresh. So far, these two are super light and pretty. So these are just pretty. So this one, this Chanel dupe, and I couldn't figure out, because online on the site it gives you a couple of options, I think, for this one, and as you're going to see in the picture and everything. So this is another spray. Let me see if you can see that. And I wasn't really sure which one I was getting. I was trying to keep along with my pink theme. And if you haven't, it's the one I wanted. Okay, so if you haven't seen my recent collaboration with Temu, where I had some seeding money that I had earned through my other videos, take a look, because that is a pink haul, and everything in there is either rose gold or pink, and I think this would actually work with that haul too. So there's the pretty bottle. I don't know how you would pronounce that, but I'm thinking it's supposed to look like the Coco Chanel. Anyway, so this is a spray. Now I can smell this one a little bit more. Ooh, I like this one, because I guess I can smell something from it. This one has more of a scent and maybe a little musky, but not strong at all. Ooh, I like it. I like this one. This is my favorite scent out of the three. So my favorite bottle so far is the one with the floral pieces at the top on the lid. Okay, we have two more to go through here, and then I have a purse to show you, because I didn't have any purses. So here's this one I'm trying to open. Oh, I didn't even see that. So there you go. There's the front. And I think I was limited on this one. This also comes in 3 different styles, and this is the one. This is Maiden Anna Sinful Black. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Ooh, that's pretty too. And I don't think I'm gonna like this one. I can just tell it seems a little stronger. Oh, wait a minute, it's got more of a powdery. Oh, I do like it. Okay, so far the scents that have really much to them are these two. This one and this one, but still light. Like you would not need a lot of this one though. But that's a pretty bottle too. Look at that. Is that sparkles on there or is that just dust? Oh, it's just dust on the bottle. Probably dust from the box it was wrapped in. Okay, so we have one more. It's called Warm Kiss Perfume. And that is a dupe, which dupe or what it resembles or is trying to be inspired by. And then I'll, of course, always show you the picture from the Temu box or site so that you can see the difference as I get them here and how they looked online. So there's this one, Warm Kiss Perfume. And I even think the original has a Warm Kiss name to it, but I could be confusing this with some others. Oh no, this is a Versace dupe. Now, again, I won't know how close it is, but it even says Warm Kiss on there. I want Versace. I'm spraying that the wrong way. Okay. Just really has an alcohol scent. Yeah. Not much there. But she'd be pretty though, right? She's a little bit pretty. Look at that glisten. Yeah. There's no scent to this. Okay, so I think these two right here. Right? Didn't I say that? I'll have to go back and look at the video. You can back up and see it. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about. I've already forgotten. It's been a long day, everybody. But I was anxious to get to this, so I'm here. And I wanted to see what these smelled like. So I do like them. I do love the bottle. But okay, so for number one bottle, I'm going to say it's this one. And put in the comments below if you agree. And the number one scent I'm going to say is this. So now onto my purse. Okay, so it's the fashion logo again. Man, I hope it's not printed on there. And I saw somebody else call this, and I can't remember. I'm sorry, but I can't remember. So this is going to be more of a fall purse. And it does have a dust cover, and it's a tweed plaid. And I thought, how cute would it be around the holidays? Red. It comes in black. I think there might be a white and a brown. So I love the chain because I am a chain girl. I do love the chains. I'm not a chain girl. That doesn't sound right. I like the chains on my purses. So they do have that protective coating there. But I think this even feels like it's a good faux leather, and I like how it's all stitched and puffed out. This is a really pretty purse. Magnetic closure there, and the gold fixtures, like that a lot. Get the stuffing out. So it does have a long chain, and it is adjustable. It does seem to be, oh, I have one more to make it a little longer, but that does seem pretty long. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be crossbody just fine. Just fine here. Okay, so let's look inside, okay? So this is gonna be a great holiday Christmas purse. You always have to do that with their zippers. I don't know, everything I get, the zipper's like halfway and it's closed on both sides, almost on everything from Temu, and you just have to swipe it like once or twice. So that really moves pretty easily. So inside this purse, you have it divided, one side, nothing there, one side here, not even a slip pocket there. So you just have the middle zipper compartment, and it is stitched down all the way to the bottom, so you won't have things flowing from one side to the other. So that gives you separation when you want it. But I am kind of surprised that there's not a slip pocket there. But this purse is probably 8.5, 9 inches wide, and it would hold my phone laying down just fine. But the hardware here. Look at the loops up here. So you could even take this off and get like a fabric or a leather strap that is brown if you wanted it. But I love the chain look, and I think it dresses it up. They're not swiveled here, so it's just connected that way. Yeah, I don't know how long this strap is going to last. It does seem a little, let's see, does it even match? Yeah, it matches. Anyway, if you're using it for a holiday party or the work, which I would use it for, I do love this one. So this is my haul today, and these are my favorite things. And you're my favorite things too. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, I invite you to do that now, and hit the notify little bell next to it. And when it's filled in, you'll be notified when I have new videos go up. So don't miss out. And I welcome and thank my favorites, and I will see you next time.